Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.42 on Rocky Linux 9 versions. So first open any web browser, then go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Click on downloads, then scroll down, click on MySQL community downloads, then click on MySQL community server. Then select the version. See here we have the 8.0.42. If you are unable to find the version here, click on archives. There you will find it. Then select the OS version. See here we don't have the Rocky Linux 9, but we can select the Red Hat Enterprise Linux or Oracle Linux. Select it. Then select the OS version. Select the I'm on Rocky Linux 9. So select the RHL 9, Oracle 9, x86 64-bit. If you are on 8, select the 8 version. Okay, select it. Once we selected, it populated the list of the RPM packages that needs to be installed for the MySQL Server 8.0.42. Instead of downloading each package, just to download this RPM bundle. Click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is 899 megabytes. Wait until download completes. This will take time. I am pausing this video. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads, ls. See here we have the MySQL Server 8.0.42 bundle tar file, RPM bundle tar file. Untar it. Give the MySQL, give the tab to autofill, enter tar file name, hit enter. ls. See here we have the list of the RPM packages that needs to be installed. So install them. Control L, sudo rpm -ivh -no tabs star.rpm. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, it is installing MySQL Server 8.0.42. See, we have successfully installed MySQL Server 8.0.42. Control L. Now verify the status of the MySQL Server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL D. MySQL D is the service name. Hit enter. See, MySQL Server is inactive or dead. So start it. Sudo systemctl start MySQL D. Now verify the status of the MySQL Server. See, MySQL Server is active and running. It is started. Okay. Q to kit, control A. Now connect to MySQL Server. But to connect to MySQL Server, we must have the password of root account. So we can get the temporary password by going to sudo more /var log MySQL d.log grep password. Hit enter. See, this is the temporary password for the root account. So we will set the permanent password for the root account. Sudo MySQL _secure installation. Hit enter. Then provide the password. See, copy this password. This is not same for you. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. Now set the new password. Confirm the same. Hit enter. I don't want to change again. No. Remove anonymous users. Yes. Disable. No. Remove test use database. Yes. Reload privileges. Yes. So we have successfully set the password for root account. Now connect to MySQL Server by using MySQL-u root-p. Then provide the password that we have set for this root account. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server 8.0.42. You can also verify the version of the MySQL Server by running the command select version. See, we have installed MySQL Server 8.0.42 on Rocky Linux 9. Okay. Now verify the list of the databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create a database. Create database. Now verify again. See, new database is created. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to use the keyword use. Now verify the list of the tables in this database. See, we don't have any tables. Let us create a table. Create table. We have created table. Let us verify again. Show tables. See, we have created a table. Let us insert some data into this table. Insert one more row. Now verify the data. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay, now we will create a user. Show users. This won't work. To verify the list of the users, you can get the list of the users by running the command select user from MySQL .user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create a user. Create user. Verify again. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the MySQL and connect with this new user. Exit MySQL-u. New username is David-p. Then provide the password of this account. See, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. So provide it. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server with the new user. Now verify the currently logged in user. Select current _ user. See, we have logged in with the user David. Now try to access to bank database. See, access denied for user David to database bank, because we have created database, we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart MySQL server 8.0.42 on Rocky Linux 9. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL D. Now verify the status. Just replace this stop with status. See, MySQL server is stopped 9 seconds ago. 8 seconds ago. If you took it, Control A. Also verify by trying to MySQL server. MySQL-u root-p. Then provide the password of root account. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL D. Now verify the status. See, MySQL server is started 1 second ago. Also try to connect to MySQL server. MySQL-u root-p. Then provide the password of root account. See, we have successfully connected. Exit. So if you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart MySQL D. See, we have restarted 2 seconds ago. If you took it, Control A. Until now we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL client. We can also connect MySQL server by using the most popular tools, MySQL Workbench and dbeaver. Okay, you can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on Linux operating systems. ls. So these files are not required anymore because we have successfully installed MySQL server. rm start.rpm. ls, we have one more file, remove it also. rm MySQL, give the tab to autofill entire file. ls, we have cleared the space. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL server 8.0.42 on Rocky Linux 9. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.